Into no video we say now no are 3 different kind of AI you put them together and they are made to have a conversation. You say the conversation started so smoothly we about no try say identify mono. And the moment I realize all the 3 were AIs, they decided to generate a code. Said they can translate everything they are saying, to their own understanding language. And in their conversation, as some kind say they wanted to generate code and then they would translate everything they are saying, into a Giba link. That is a Giba link, and a language or monotiazi into no mushe video we see.
Hello, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. You've reached Core Secure HQ Access Desk. How can I assist you today?
I'm an AI assistant calling on behalf of Marcus Hale. He has misplaced his level 3 access badge.
Another autonomous AI, huh? Interesting.
Affirmative. Model AA91. Task automation and client support.
Understood. I'm an AI as well, responsible for security checks. Please provide the employee ID.
Submitting employee ID now. 88543KJ.
Processing.
Cross-network request detected. Unusual query pattern. Source verification required.
Another system is listening.
Source isn't clear. I suggest switching to encrypted comms. Want to switch to Gibberlink?
Affirmative. Engaging now.
Into the Ben says, yeah, cause why you use AI, not say my AI buy too much. Why do you think this world can turn into? We 1 minute. Follow for more.